हाय फ्रेंड्स.
and welcome to Guest Host Bite. अविनाश, सगळ्यांचो क्रिसमस नाताळाचो सण उमेदीन मनयलो सगळ्यांनी.
आमी सगळ्या व्ह्युअर्सांक मेनली बिबिंका दाखयले, ताच्या उपरांत स्वीट्स दाखयली, ताच्या उपरांत मागीर आमी केक मिक्सिंग दाखयले, बुफे लंच दाखयले. अश्यो खुबश्यो गोश्टी आमी ह्या क्रिसमस स्पेशलाच्या हातूंत दाखयल्यो.
खरें, दिस इयर्स क्रिसमस वॉज व्हेरी जॉयस.
होच क्रिसमस स्पेशल आमी सगळे दाखयलेच तांकां. पूण तुका अपर्ण कितें दिसता अशें न्यू इयरा खातीर तूं कितें करता अशें स्पेशल अशें न्यू इयरा खातीर तूं कितें करता?
Avinash, for New Year I don't go out partying with my friends and all. I begin my New Year with my family at home.
Yes.
So I get a small cake, we cut the cake and begin our New Year.
तशें जाल्यार बरें आहा मुगो अपर्ण.
खरेंच एक काम करूया, ह्या वर्सा आमी केक शिकुया, आमच्या स्वता खातीर, आमच्या फॅमिली
बरोबर.
खातीर तयार करूया and let's start a new beginning.
येस.
As I had promised yummy and tasty cake for this New Year, here I fulfilled my promise.
होच यम्मी केक दाखोवपा खातीर आमच्या बरोबर आसात कृपा कामत. हाय.
Hi Krita, welcome to our show. So what's special this New Year?
Okay, I'm preparing a dark chocolate orange sponge with a white chocolate truffle icing.
बरे बरे. कितले व्हडले अशें.
Wonderful now. And what are the ingredients?
Well, we start with butter, about 55 grams, about 85 grams of powdered sugar. Then we have about 50 grams cocoa powder. Then we have vanilla essence, about 2 teaspoons, 2 eggs. Then we have buttermilk. That's what makes the cake really moist. And we have about 170 grams of refined flour and about a teaspoon.
Now you're adding powdered sugar.
Yeah, we slowly add the powdered sugar so that it becomes creamy and light.
Okay.
Now this you have taken ready-made one or you have made it at home?
No, you can powder the sugar in your blender, or puff would be about half a kg, but with the icing, it should come up to 1 kg.
It's how many years now we are trying your hands on different variety of cakes?
It's been about 2 years
Okay.
that, after college, that I've been working on improvising and basically trying out flavors, because each cake should be different. Now we just flatten it out a little bigger towards the sides because it rises only at the center then.
Okay.
We don't want that. Okay.
Now we need to bake it.
Yes.
For how?
At about 190 degrees
Okay.
for about 30
and tasty cake.